Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and a talk.
way.
I'm in beautiful North Las Vegas. Look at those mountains up there. Brand new neighborhood. This is about regrets. And should you have them or should you not have them? I say no regrets. I say take a shot, go for it. If you land on your ass and fail, good. At least you tried. But don't worry about it. Don't have regrets. But learn from all mistakes. And remember, get the feedback from the failure. But in terms of choices you make, if they're well thought out, and you really thought you were doing something that was meaningful, you don't want to carry that baggage, that burden of regrets around, because it's going to take its toll eventually, and it's going to chew you up and eat you up inside, and it's going to take you out. Take you out. Now, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't think about the decisions you made and wish that you could have done them better, but just do it. Think about it. Say, yeah, I could have done that better, but don't have regrets about it. Hey, I've been married 3 times. And after the second marriage, I met my current wife that I've been together with for 25 years. The first 2 wives, you know, that's part of my life. That's a part of my life that I have no regrets about. Were they mistakes? Yes. Did they not work out? No, they did not. Was there a lot of pain, suffering, and a lot of stuff that I wish I didn't have to go through? Yes. But that said, I don't have any regrets, because everything that happens in life, there's a reason for it. And even in failed marriages, I have no regrets. I'm glad I went through that. I'm glad, because I couldn't have become the person that I am today, the person that my wife fell in love with, had I not experimented in those earlier years to get better. I've had a lot of things happen to me. I've been bankrupt. I've lost jobs. I've said things I wish I hadn't said. Anything you can think of that's detrimental to you, and that, is a challenge and a failure. It's happened to me, and it's going to happen to you. The key is, don't be regretful. Regret is different than understanding that you made a mistake and you're going to try to be better. That's okay, and that's mandatory, and to learn from that mistake. To me, a regret is holding on to that gut-wrenching mistake and having it continue to twist inside of you. You know, the old saying, and this is a proverb, I think it's in the Bible, shit happens. I think that's Psalms. And the Buddhists put it even better. Life is suffering. But once you embrace that, once you understand that we're all going to go through periods of suffering and adversity and shit that happens, and then you understand that the basic of life is not letting that stuff get in the way of this, the here and now, the living of the moment, the life. Because ruining your past and worrying about today and the future is no way to live your life. And having regrets is just another roadblock along the road to a successful, better, happier, healthy life. And hopefully Live Life 365 and these little walking dogs can help you change your life for the better. Think about that one, and until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
A lot of pollution there. That's regretful in a way. It's disgusting. But I know we've had a lot of winds. Maybe that's it.